Morning, my sweet girls and my sweet boys. Today we are going to talk about spelling words with CH. In some words, the letters CH make a soft sound, and in some words, the letters CH make a hard sound like ek. I'm Miss Nahid Al Musa, and I'm going to explain the two sounds for CH. Let's see, the first sound is soft sound. We pronounce it ch, ch. And the second sound, we pronounce it k, k as a hard sound. We have two sounds, soft sound ch, ch, and the hard sound k, k. Let's see here more examples. Munch, munch, ch, ch. Catch, catch. Bunch, bunch. Lunch, lunch. Let's see the second sound as a hard sound. K, k. Headache, headache. Anchor, anchor. Stomach, stomach. Toothache, toothache. Let's talk more about CH sounds. The first sound, ch, ch, and the second sound, k, k. Soft sound and hard sound. Let's see here more examples. Chop, chop. Bunch, bunch. Chip, chicken. These are soft sound. Ch, ch. Let's talk about hard sound. Choir, choir. School, school. Ache, ache. So, this is our lesson for today. Spelling words with the soft sound ch, ch, and the hard sound k, k. Okay? Goodbye. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.